how to make a really delicious chocolate and raspberry breakfast porridge. Now I'm going to be using the Happy Way chocolate protein powder for this recipe. I'll be using 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. I've got half a cup here of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. I've got half a cup here of frozen raspberries. You can also use fresh. And this is optional, but I'm going to pop just a teaspoon of MCT oil in there. And then I'm going to top it with a cube of chocolate. So to make this one, what I'm going to do is pop my milk and my protein in my Happy Way shaker and shake that up until it's well combined. I'm then going to pop that liquid in with my oats on the stove in a saucepan and allow that to simmer until my oats go a little bit fluffy. So that'll take about 10 minutes. And then what I'm going to do is stir through my remaining ingredients. So I'll stir through the raspberries, the chia seeds, the flax seeds, and the MCT oil until it's nice and creamy. I'll then pop it into a bowl and then top it with my chocolate.